Hi action takers, it's me again, Niel Tan. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for taking action to join this eUsahawan training program. Now, you might ask me, what is the next step? Next step is that I'm going to send you a link where you need to answer a few simple questions. These questions is to allow me to know you a little bit and also to know what are the challenges that you are facing right now. The first question is to introduce yourself. What do you do? What is your business? Then second question is, when it comes to taking your business online or to scale your business online, what are the challenges that you are facing right now? You will need to let me know at least 3 challenges, okay? 3 challenges. You can put as many challenges as you want, but at least 3. Now, the next step is to learn how to use Zoom. What is Zoom? Do you mean the telescope or the camera that is built into our phone? We use the camera and telescope to do that zooming, right? No, I'm not talking about that Zoom. Okay, that is that kind of zoom in and zoom out. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, so Zoom is a video communication where it allows you to conduct online training, video conferencing, online meetings, chat, webinar, and many more. So if you are not familiar with Zoom, please watch the next video where I will share the link to your WhatsApp or your SMS or to your email. And that link will allow you to access to the video to show you how to use Zoom. Again, and welcome to our eUsahawan family, and stay tuned for more videos updates. Take care, stay safe, have a nice day, cheers, and high five.